I have no idea how to film this, I'm gonna be honest. But in the interest of showing you all of the fun things that I buy plant related, I figured let's give this a go and see what happens. So I got an order of seeds from Seed Geeks on Etsy. This is my second order from them. I ordered stuff before that I think did okay. I don't remember having any complaints. So no news is good news, I think. It was at my last house, so that's why I'm trying to remember, but I think we did okay. So if you have any ideas for how you would want me to do a seed unboxing, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wing this. I think that what I'm gonna do is open these, show you each packet, and then go into a little bit of what they are, how they work, and why I wanted them. So let's give it a go. Packing list. Thank you, Seed Geeks. It drives me crazy when I don't get packing lists because it's like I'm supposed to remember everything that I bought. I have ADHD. I don't do that. That's not a thing for me. Number one, Heirloom lettuce mix. And I'm going to show you a picture of the seeds now. 5 favorites in one delicious mix. So I got these because I have a stacked planter that I love, and that's usually where I put all of my veggies and things, or my best intention veggies, because I always want to make my own salads and then I forget that I have lettuce outside and never make my own salads. Hope springs eternal with my heirloom seed mix. Next, English lavender, and here's a picture of the seeds now. So I got a minimum 100 seeds of my English lavender, and I got this because my attempts to propagate my old lavender from my old house have failed miserably, and that is my fault, not the plant's fault. I did not pay enough attention to them, and so they got, it just didn't work out. So we're gonna start again. Truth be told, I haven't had the best of luck using lavender seeds. I did better with lavender starter plants. It's worth a shot though. We'll see how it goes. Next, I feel like I'm like doling out cards. Love Lies Bleeding Amaranth. This is one of my favorite plants solely because of the name. It's so goth. I love how goth it is. Here are the seeds. And I got minimum 250 seeds for this. It says it takes 3 to 10 days to sprout, but in my experience, it was months. Like, I almost gave up. I might have planted them too late in the year, to be honest. So hopefully we'll get this going again. I'm not gonna plant all 250 because why would I do that? Plant enough that we can see if I can get them to sprout. But since they are an annual, I wanna save the other seeds for our future years. Next, Japanese Meadowsweet. Here are the seeds. These are just super interesting looking plants, flowers I should say, that I thought would be a really good addition to the side of my house that I want to fill in this year. It's just bare. I planted an azalea bush that I took from my old house that didn't really do that well. So I'm hoping that over here it'll do well. And so I wanted to get some kind of compliments to that azalea bush and see how it goes. Next, Shade Garden Mix. Here are the seeds. This is going to be my half-assed attempt to fill in an area around a tree in the corner of my yard. We have to get the fence replaced, but that'll be a future year project. Consequently, I'm really apprehensive about planting things around the fence line, but there is a sandy patch over in the back corner that is under a tree. So I'm really hoping that this mix might work. If it doesn't work there, I'm also going to plant it along the side of my house in the backyard where I haven't had any luck getting anything else to grow. So I'm hoping that the partial shade mix will work to my advantage there. Next, black raspberry. Here are the seeds. This is another hope springs eternal that I'm going to be a good farmer. I love raspberries just as much as I love strawberries. And since I got my strawberries from Hertz, I thought I would get some black raspberries too, see how it goes. I'm dubious on this because I haven't had luck with black raspberries before, but we're gonna try it anyways. Why not? Last but not least, blue Passionflower. Here are the seeds. The info on this says, for calming teas and tasty fruits. I just think the flower looks really cool. I've never used these before. I've never tried to grow Passionflower before, so I think it should work. We're gonna give it a go and see what happens. Short, sweet, but to the point. That was my haul from Seed Geeks. If you are someone who likes starting from scratch with seeds, I definitely recommend Seed Geeks. They're really good, in my experience, delivering fast and having good batches of seeds. So we're gonna try these again and see if I can overcome my ADHD that I have and remember that I have seeds starting. But if that doesn't work, at least I got my houseplants. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.